and that's why there's like the gas tank also that recharges the battery. I guess it didn't say how many times you can charge the battery with like a full tank of gas, but I mean you can fill up along the way if you had to go on a trip somewhere. So.
And the car can be marketed to people who live in the city where they don't travel, like, within a month you may not travel 180 miles, which with like the Prius, I'm pretty sure that's how they market that car too, because if you stay under 35 miles an hour, you run off electricity and not off your gas. But once you get out on the road, it's just like every other car. So I would assume they would market it to people who live in bigger cities because it's a compact car, which you want a smaller car in the city, and you don't travel as far.
I have one question. So in terms of this electricity cars, are these so-called plug-in hybrid, right? You plug it in.
Yeah, it's a plug-in. You just like plug it into like your home electricity. So that means like what you get on a gallon of gasoline for your car would be like 34 miles. So what this car would get for 34 miles would probably be the equivalent of like 20 cents on like your electric bill. So it's a lot cheaper that way.
So probably we need to build charging stations, for example, at the gas station or something, right? In case of long trip or something,
Yeah.
Where else, I mean, can you charge your electric car on a road, right?
Exactly. Well, I'm sure California will start putting in stations like that because they do everything first like that.
Well, the thing with charging too, I read somewhere that if you charge it at night, supposedly it's going to be a lot cheaper because there's not a lot of people using, like lights aren't being on, people aren't watching TV and stuff like that during the night, so it's technically cheaper to charge at night.